4 psychology facts about quiet people. 90% of quiet people have the fourth one. If you have this type of quiet people surround you, please be nice to them. 1. Quiet people talk a lot inside. They might not say much out loud, but inside their minds, they're full of thoughts and dreams. It's like a busy conversation that only they can hear. 2. They speak in thoughts and heart. They don't always use words to talk. Instead, they show how they feel through their expressions and actions. It's like they have a special language that comes from their hearts and minds. 3. They are strong and intelligent. Even though they are not loud, they're really strong in their own way. They can handle tough things and keep going. Plus, they're super smart and can figure out things with their clever thinking. 4. They have cool personalities and are fun to be with. They have a coolness about them. They're fun to be around because they're real and genuine. You can have both serious talks and good laughs with them. Drop a 100 if you read this far. This shows you are part of the 0.01% who actually finish what they start. If you enjoy our videos by leaving us a follow for more